Forward. March.
Today's assignment for Catholic Schools Week comes with a patriotic message, a lesson in flag folding by some local veterans.
We love being here because the kids are our future.
Trusting in God.
And we want to instill this into the kids and have them be part of their growing up.
13 folds, many with a story of tradition draped in faith and freedom.
Absolutely. Our founding fathers were Christian, and we have Christian values. And that's very important, and it's part of our origins in this country.
Donahue parent Jackie Herring, retired military, also delivered a talk about sacrifice and recounted the story of David Paget, a young soldier who died for his country and is remembered here at Donahue Academy with a scholarship in his name.
Scripture tells us in John 15:13, greater love has no one than this, that someone lay down his life for his friends.
The school has made a promise to keep his legacy alive and to talk about him during Catholic Schools Week for Patriot Day, and remind the students that in order for us to practice our faith, especially in a school environment, that those freedoms and privileges come at a cost. And it's just a nice reminder for the students to understand the bigger picture.
Respect, something that's taught daily here at Donahue Academy.